Hello everyone. My name is Maya Mughe and I am an associate professor of chemistry. In today's session, I am going to explain you what is galvanizing. Galvanizing is also known as galvanization. Galvanization is one of the widely used methods to protect iron or steel from rusting. After studying this session, you will be able to define the concept of galvanizing. You will be able to summarize the principle of galvanizing. You'll be able to describe the process of galvanizing. You will be able to establish the applications of galvanizing. Before you start learning, do revise these topics for better understanding of galvanization. Concept of corrosion of metals, galvanic corrosion, methods of protection of metals from corrosion, hot dipping method. Let us now begin with understanding what is galvanizing. Galvanizing is a process of coating base metal such as iron or steel with a coating of zinc in order to prevent base metal from rusting. The coating of zinc is obtained by the process of hot dipping. Zinc, being more reactive, undergoes corrosion itself and thereby protecting the base metal. Zinc becomes anode of the cell and base metal becomes cathode of the cell. Zinc acts as sacrificial anode. The procedure. Following is the diagram of the procedure of galvanization. The three main steps in the procedure are surface preparation, galvanizing, inspection. Let us now understand each step in detail. First step in the process of galvanization is surface preparation. In that, first we do degreasing. During this step, organic contaminants such as dirt, paint markings, grease and oil are removed from the metal surface by using either hot alkali solution, mild acidic bath or biological cleaning bath. The second stage is pickling. During pickling, a dilute solution of heated sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid removes mill scale and iron oxide, that is rust, from the steel surface. The next stage is fluxing. This is the final surface preparation step in which a zinc ammonium chloride solution is used, which serves two purposes. One, it removes any remaining oxides and deposits a protective layer on the steel to prevent any further oxides from forming on the surface prior to immersion in the molten zinc. The second and important step during galvanization is the main process of galvanizing. In this process, steel is completely immersed in a bath of molten zinc. The bath contains 98% pure zinc and it is maintained at a temperature of approximately 840 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 449 degrees Celsius. The steel article is lowered at an angle to allow air to escape from tubular shapes or pockets that may be within the design of a fabricated piece, and of course permits the molten zinc to displace the air. While immersed in a bath, the zinc reacts with iron in the steel to form a series of zinc iron intermetallic alloy layers. When the fabricated article reaches bath temperature, the coating is complete and the articles are withdrawn slowly from the galvanizing bath. Excess zinc is removed by draining, vibrating and or centrifuging. Articles are cooled either by immersion in a passivation solution or water or by being left in open air. The third step, which is the last phase of the process, is inspection. It is simple and quick. Inspection involves checking and scrutinizing coating thickness and coating appearance. A very accurate determination as to the quality of the galvanized coating can be accomplished through a visual inspection of the material because, as stated earlier, zinc will not react with unclean steel. A variety of simple physical and laboratory tests may also be performed to determine thickness, uniformity, adherence, and appearance to ensure the coating is in compliance with specification requirements. You can also watch a video. For that, the link is provided so that you will get an idea of how the process is actually carried out. The important applications of galvanizing are: it is widely used for corrosion resistant coating on sheet metal, that is either iron or steel. Household items for daily use which are made from iron and steel, such as buckets, tubs and other containers. Galvanizing is also done for machine parts, tools, ship tanks and wires, etc. Galvanized steel is useful for air conditioning equipment, automotive parts including body panels and structural members, building panels, display cases, electrical boxes, electronic equipment, refrigerators and freezers, roofing sheets, toolboxes, vending machines and wall panels. Here are some of the images which will show you the articles which are produced by the process of galvanizing, such as galvanized nails, galvanized steel sheets, galvanized steel pipes and galvanized automotive parts. Let us now see what are the advantages and disadvantages of galvanizing. The advantages include: zinc creates a protective coating that shields the base metal from the surrounding environment. The layer of zinc prevents water and moisture and other elements in the air from corroding the steel underneath. Smooth and uniform coating can be obtained. Sharp edges and corners are protected optimally. Some of the disadvantages of galvanizing are: galvanized steel may leave rough patches inside pipes, resulting in serious failures and stoppages that can be expensive to repair. Galvanized containers are not used for storing food materials, as zinc may react with food and contaminate food. So students, now we have seen what do you mean by galvanizing, how the process is carried out, the applications and also advantages and disadvantages of the process. So now is the time for activity. Some of the activities that you may carry on are you can define and state the principle of galvanizing, discuss the use of zinc as the coating metal, prepare a chart showing process of galvanizing, enlist the applications of galvanizing. These are the references that I have used for preparing this presentation. I hope that you have understood the process of galvanizing after studying this presentation. Thank you for listening.